What's up, everyone? We're in the master bedroom today, as we are going to be removing popcorn ceiling and crown molding and trim in the master bathroom and the master closet, as well as the hallway. So the hallway, and also going to be doing my YouTube room for the popcorn ceiling. That is on today's agenda, so we're going to get at it. Let's go. Alright, so room number one, all taken out. I actually tossed the trim right out the window. It's the easiest way to get it down there to the dumpster. And now we're moving on to the hallway. So, gonna move on into the hallway. Let's get started. So, some time has passed, been working on a lot of other random stuff. As you saw, finished the hallway. Hallway is all scraped, nice and good to go, all the way into there. All prepped and ready for the mudders to come in, or the drywall people to come in and do all of that. So, now moving into the master bedroom, but we're gonna start in the master bathroom, which I've already gone through and tarped off. If anyone was wondering, the reason why I haven't tarped any of the carpet up, it's because that's the next thing. We're gonna rip all this up. So there's actually, we've already ordered it. We've already paid and ordered for it, but we have cork flooring coming. It's like a charcoal color, and we're gonna be doing cork flooring here, down the hall, and in the den downstairs, which you guys have already seen. We're basically torn out. Barry tore the carpet out of there too. So we gotta tear the padding out though. That's the last thing. But anyways, moving to this room, gonna start spraying. Well, first gonna take down the lighting fixtures and the vent and start spraying in here and removing all of the popcorn ceiling. So enjoy some more time on it. I ran into my faux wallpaper, and it's only for part of the bathroom. Like it stops right here. There's a new sheet of drywall put in right there. Well, actually right here and right there. Beats me. But it's also why that sheet of drywall cracked right there, because a seam on a window, you're not supposed to do that. All the wallpaper though, over here, all removed. So we can finally continue on to the next area, popcorn ceiling removal, moving into welcome to another day. We're still working every day. We're grinding. Christine's going to town on trim. So, on the project list for today, well, yesterday, if you saw last night, we finished the popcorn ceiling. My GoPro died in the middle of it, so couldn't film all of it when I got to the closet and the last little bit of the master bedroom. But on today's agenda is to get rid of everything that needs to be thrown in the dumpster. This dumpster right here. It's such a nice day out. It's like kind of cold, but there's nice sun out. Anyways, they're taking that tomorrow, so we have to get rid of everything that needs to go in that dumpster. And that would be this foam, the foam underlay for the carpet, and as well as the tack strips around the side. You get all that in the dumpster, and need to rip up all the carpets up the stairs, all the foam matting, all the tack strips down the hallway. Need to get rid of all this, and the master. Need to get rid of all this and all of the laminate in the master, as well as probably gonna get rid of all these shelves. I'll probably leave the shelves up for the hell of it. That is on the workload for today. And if you've never taken carpet out before, it's very, very simple. All you really need is a utility knife or a really sharp knife to cut the carpet into strips, and you literally just pry it up. You just pull it up. It's just held on the side. Crowbar can help. I'm probably gonna use a crowbar, utility knife. Then I have this big scraper that's gonna help a lot to get the foam pad. Doing a good job, babe. This right here. It's a big scraper. So this thing works wonders. You just get underneath this and pry it up. Just like that, pry it up. Anyways, probably gonna get started in this room first, and then we'll go upstairs. I'm hoping to knock all that out pretty quick, and then we can get to finishing the lighting in the kitchen and moving on to other rooms. So lots of big stuff in store for today's progress. Let's jump into it. So, as you guys saw, a little bit of muscle. That was a little bit of a workout, but got all of the foam underlayment up. This is actually on concrete. You can see like the remnants. According to the past homeowners, there was tile here originally, and they ripped the tile up and put carpet down. Why, I have no idea. Only thing I'm noting is that there's a lot of cracks around the perimeter that I'm gonna have to take some spray foam, go around, shoot all the gaps and corners around here. All cleaned up. That was pretty easy to do. Just took some muscle and labor. Everything's cleaned up. We move on to more carpet removal upstairs. Yay. Here we go. We got a problem. All right, well, yeah. So, had some drywall people over here quoting, and they pushed on this and it gave. I've already kind of ripped most of this out, but that is not good. That is it's a rotten stud. So this was off camera, but I've already fixed the cause of the problem. I'll put up some pictures, but up here on the roof line, now you can see what I've already done to fix it, but the hole is right there at that corner. And the downspout comes down here in elbows, and they had this pipe right here mangled coming straight down here and then elbowing down into it. And it was packed full of dirt. I don't know how long it's been packed full of dirt, but this whole corner is starting to rot, and whoever did the roofing didn't do proper flashing. So there's a hole right there, little tiny hole. Water's just been dripping down, coming down through the inside stud cavity of the garage. Thankfully, it's not coming down into the house, but it is at a very crucial point. So this right here is where the half bath is. This is the house. This is the backing of the siding of the house, which is going to get replaced down the road. So we're not as concerned with that. Basically got to rip these studs out, put new studs in, and put a new header up there, put a new base in there. The treated boards down here, they're in good shape, but this board, not so much. So that's gonna have to be cut back. We're probably gonna have to do some drywall work on the inside of the house to get that fixed up right. Yeah, not pretty. I'm kind of just cleaning up the mess in here, and then I'll be able to get back to carpet removal, but this is a big financial setback. This is a multi-$1,000 setback right here for a contractor to come in and do it, which we already have lined up. I think the quote is somewhere, it's gonna be somewhere around $2 grand to fix it. Yeah, that's something that I just don't want to tackle. I'm gonna pay someone to come in, fix it, do it right, and get it done. That's one thing when you're renovating or doing housework. Know what you can and cannot do. I can't do it. It is not worth me doing something to it. So we're gonna get it done. We're gonna get it done right. Fix it. Sucks though. Well guys, I don't know what day we're on. Christine, what day of ownership is this? Day 11. Day 11, and we've done so much shit to this house. It is ridiculous. But Christine and me, we didn't really show this. I showed removing the carpet. I'm not really sure where we left off on that video, but we still haven't really got all the tack strips and staples up. But these are wood treads. So what's the plan, babe?
Well, I already started on this one. This was my practice piece because we're probably not keeping this. I will be sanding up a storm for a while. I'm starting with 60 grit sandpaper to remove the paint. I'm not gonna go too hard because I don't want to damage the wood. Then I'll graduate to an 80, then a 150, then a 220.
Oh, we're going to 220?
Going to 220.
Maybe you want to do 150 so it doesn't end up being ridiculously smooth.
I got a lot of things to buff out, which is why I'm really doing the 220, but I was gonna add some grit to
The polyurethane thing. I was talking to Dad about that. Staining the treads, dark walnut color-ish. Are we gonna stain this to match? Or are we gonna paint it?
I thought we were gonna paint it, but I am open for change. What do y'all wanna see?
And then the risers are gonna be painted white.
Yeah.
And the I don't know what the sides are called, but those are also gonna be painted white.
Yeah.
And we'll caulk all the gaps and all that fun stuff. Awesome find that these were actually real wood treads, not like OBS that was carpeted over, so that'll save us a lot of money. Christine today is gonna be working on this. I don't think we're gonna set up a camera because this is just a lot of sanding. If you guys don't know what sanding is, gonna press the button on the sander and go to town.
Move with the grain.
Move with the grain, there you go, yeah. She's gonna be going to town sanding her life away with 60 grit, and while she's doing that, I'm mostly filming this for my truck channel, but the start of my dream garage has begun. If you guys didn't catch, it was like, I think it was day 2. I had Drake, my assistant, he was coming in here and just ripping everything out of this garage to get it down to the bare walls so that I could come in, take the popcorn ceiling off. We got hexagrid lights we're gonna install. So I'll throw some clips in of me removing the popcorn ceiling in here, but it's the same damn process we've been doing throughout the whole entire house. And this is the last room that's gonna get popcorn ceiling removed until we get around eventually down the line to redoing the bedrooms upstairs. But this is the last room. Just a little update on our mold project that we found over here. We've bleached it. I don't know if I've shown you guys, but up there, that's the hole in the roof that was there. You can see where they were trying to patch it and everything. And you can also see where they were putting new popcorn up to kind of mask it. But yeah, that's all gonna get replaced either tomorrow or Thursday. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go ahead and get the popcorn ceiling removed. If I haven't mentioned, we have people coming. They're gonna do all the mudding in this house because that's just way too time consuming on my part. So they're gonna come in and do all of the mudding, which is why I need to get the popcorn ceiling off of this ceiling so that they can come in and just knock that all out. I'm gonna get started. Christine's gonna get sanding. We're gonna have a good time. Day of 11. What's up? It's Ricky from the future in the garage that is finished. And I'm in the garage because I've actually already posted the full up to this point in the garage. Basically when I started that video, I was going to start working on basically removing the popcorn ceiling, and then I went to power washing the floors and painting the whole entire garage, which is all on my truck channel. So Taco Rick on that channel is where we went through the whole entire transformation in the garage, and it's where we're gonna be documenting all of the future projects in the garage like the lights above. Obviously, as you can see from over here, the issue, like I showed you guys, they fixed the roof, but they went ahead and they, after I did the popcorn ceiling, they finished all the drywall work in here and got this place good to go. Replaced all those boards, put in new insulation. It's all primed and good to go from now on. But I did want to just end the video. This is future. We're actually working on crown molding at this point in painting doors too. We got doors off. But this project, this house came along so fast, and we're trying to catch up on videos because we did a lot, like painting cabinets. And I'm not going to show you the stairs that we were just looking at because they look amazing right now. Like, we have done so much work to this house, and you guys are going to learn more about it as we keep going. So hit the subscribe button so you can see the whole entire transformation from start to finish. We're not even finished yet at this point, but we're getting very, very close. And we're on the finishing touches. We're living in the house now, fully here, but flooring and everything will be coming on the channel very shortly. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button to help it out. Share this video so we can get some more people on this channel. We need to like build this channel up as much as we can. Comment down below too. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? What do you guys think of the garage so far? Gotta get those hexagrid lights, which are right there, installed. I'm thinking about doing it this weekend, so we'll see. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching the video. Peace out from me and Christine. We'll see you in the next one.